Makes sense. Are there any tools or softwares that you particularly use to create your YouTube videos or to grow on YouTube? Can you also, maybe while answering, can you also let us know what sort of equipment do you use?
Well, I have a philosophy where I think I want to minimize the amount of time I put into editing videos. And I want to focus just on the content. I want to be able to create something where people just watch it purely for the content. They don't really care about how the editing was done or whatever. So having said that, I've got a pretty decent camera. It's a Canon, and then a decent mic, and I use that because I want at least the, the, the picture, the audio, and the visuals to look good. But as far as editing the video, I really don't spend too much time on it. It's really just I just cut some parts out, and this is it. It's kind of good to go. Put subtitles on which words that I'm using in the video, and I really don't put that much time in editing the video. Again, that's just my philosophy. Like, I'm not against people putting a lot of work into editing their videos, making it look good.
Right.
I think this is what works for me, right? And again, like as you were saying, like as far as time management and all that stuff with everything going on and being busy with work and family and all that stuff, that also is very important to not
Absolutely.
put too much time into editing a video.